Hello students, in previous video we have learned how to add the unlike fractions. So let us do some questions based on it. So we will start worksheet number 4. Question number 1, that is add. So here we have to add the given fractions. So that is 4 upon 7 plus 11 upon 14. So for adding the two unlike fractions, first of all we have to make them like. So how we can make them like? By taking the LCM. So we have to take the LCM of the denominators. So denominators are 7 and 14. So here, as one number is even, so we will divide it by 2. 2 is a prime number. So 7 does not comes in the table of 2. So we will write 7 as it is. Then 2 7s are 14. Now both are 7. And 7 is a prime number. So 7 will come in the table of 7. 7 1s are 7. 7 1s are 7. So the LCM is 2 into 7. That is 14. Now what we have to do? We have to make these fractions like. First of all, take the first fraction, that is 4 upon 7. So we know that how to make them like. Recite the table of denominator till LCM. So our LCM is 14. So 7 2s are 14. And now we have to multiply numerator with the same number, that is by 2. So 4 2s are 8. Now the next fraction is 11 upon 14. And we know that the LCM is also 14. So 14 1s are 14. So we have to multiply 11 by 1. So now both the fractions become like. So we know that how to add the like fractions. So 4 upon 7 plus 11 upon 14 is equal to 4 upon, instead of 4 upon 7 we will write 8 upon 14 plus 11 upon 14. Now we will write the denominator once and add the numerators. So answer is 19 upon 14 and it is in the lowest term. So we have to keep it in mind that our answer should be in the lowest term. अगर वो lowest term में नहीं है तो we have to make them in lowest term. Now the B part. In P part, again it is also same, 5 upon 8 plus 1 upon 6. Now we have to take the LCM to make them like, both the fractions like. So LCM of the denominator, both are even, so we will divide by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. Now here 4 is our even number, so again we will divide it by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 3. 2 is a prime number, 2 1s are 2, 3 does not comes, and 3 is again a prime number, 1. Now both are 1, so our LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So our LCM is 24. Now what we have to do? We have to make these unlike fractions like. So recite the table of 8 till LCM, that is 24. 8 3s are 24. We will multiply numerator by the same number. So 5 3s are 15. And the next one is 1 upon 6. Recite the table of denominator, that is 6 till LCM 24. Now 6 4s are 24. Multiply 1 by 4 again. So 1 4s are 4. Now both the fractions become like. So 5 upon 8 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 5 upon 8. We will replace it by 15 upon 24. And 1 upon 6 by 4 upon 24. Now add them. So 24 and 15 plus 4, that is 19 upon 24. Now here this is again in a lowest term because 19 is a prime number and 24 does not comes in the table of 19. Now C part, in C part we have 3 unlike fractions and we have to add them. 1 by 4 plus 2 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10. Again, the procedure is same. We have to take the LCM of the denominators. So 4, 5 and 10. Now here we have two even numbers. We will divide it by 2 first. So 2 2s are 4, 5 does not come, so we will write as it is, and again 2 5s are 10. Now we will divide it by 2, 2 1s are 2, 5 and 5 does not comes in the table of 2, so we will write as it is, and then remaining numbers are 5 and 5 is a prime number, so 5 1 1. Now all the three numbers are 1. Now the LCM, 2 into 2 into 5, that is 2 to the 4 and 4 5 is the 20. So our LCM is 20. Now make them like 1 upon 4. Recite the table of 4 till 20. 20 is our LCM. So 4 5 is the 20 and again multiply it by numerator. So 1 5 is the 5. Next is 2 upon 5. Now 5 4 is the 20. We have to multiply it by 4 again, numerator. 2 4 is the 8. Then the third fraction, 7 upon 10. Recite the table of 10 till LCM. That is 20. So 10 2s are 20. Multiply it by numerator also. 7 2s are 14. Now, so question is 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 5 plus 7 upon 10. So we will replace them. Instead of 1 upon 4, we will write 5 upon 20 plus 2 upon 5 की जगह 8 upon 20. And then instead of 7 upon 10, we will write 14 upon 20. So we know how to add the like fractions. 5 plus 8 plus 14 upon 20. So 27 upon 20. Now both this 27 upon 20 is again in a lowest term, because both of them does not comes in the table of same number. किसी भी same number के table में दोनों नहीं आते, 27 and 20, so it is in the lowest term. So in this way you can add the three fractions. Now we will take one more question in which I will take G part. Here the question is in the mixed form. 2 plus 4 and 1 upon 3 plus 7 upon 5. So our first step is to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So we can also write this whole number in fraction form. How? कभी भी आपके पास होल नंबर है तो आपने उसमें डिनोमिनेटर में आप 1 लगा सकते हैं. यू कैन राइट 1 एज डिनोमिनेटर. तो आपके कोई भी नंबर को कोई फर्क, होल नंबर को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लाइक 2 upon 1. We can write 2 और 2 upon 1 both are same. कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है 2 upon 1 and 2 में. Plus convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So first of all we will multiply whole number part and denominator. So 4 3 are 12, and then we will add numerator with the product of these two numbers. So 4 3 is 12 plus 1, that is 13 upon 3 plus 7 upon 5. So that means we have to add these three fractions. Now again take the LCM. LCM is there is no need to write the 1, but I am writing so that you will not get confused. So both are prime, so we will take 3. 1s are 3, 5 does not come, so we will write as it is. Then 5 is again a prime number, 5 1s are 5. So our LCM is 3 into 5, that is 15. Now make these three fractions like. How? 2 upon 1. Now multiply 1 inside the table of 1 till LCM, that is 15. 1 15s are 15, so 2 multiplied by 15. 2 15s are 30. Next is your 13 upon 3. So 3 multiplied by 5. 3 5s are 15 and 13 3s are 39. The next one is 7 upon 5. So set the table of 5 till LCM, that is 15. 5 3s are 15, and we will multiply 7 by 3. 7 3s are 21. So we can write 2 upon 1 plus 13 upon 3 plus 7 upon 5. Replace this. So instead of 2 upon 1, we will write 30 upon 15 plus 39 upon 15 plus 21 upon 15. Now add these. So 15, then 30 plus 39 plus 21. So the answer is 30, 60, 80, 90. 90 upon 15. Now 90 upon 15 is not in a lowest term. So we have to convert this into a lowest term, and we know that 90 comes in the table of 15. So recite the table of 15 till 90, or we can do in other way also, क्योंकि लास्ट में 0 and 5 है तो दोनों 5 के टेबल में भी आते हैं. आप छोटे नंबर से भी करते हैं, बट इन दैट केस आपको बार बार इसको लोवेस्ट टर्म में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, बार बार डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू टेक द HCF तो आपको 1 स्टेप में ही ये हो जाता है. सो 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, and 15 6s are 90. So 15 1s are 15 and 15 6s are 90. So our answer is 6. So when we add these three fractions, we get the answer 6. So 6 upon 5 or 6 both are same. इनमें कोई भी difference नहीं है. So in this way you can add the given fractions, 2 or 3 fractions. Thank you.